Join us as we uncover the essential steps in custom software development. From planning to launch and beyond, we'll guide you through the process. Creating custom software tailored to your specific business needs is a detailed process. Let's dive into the journey. We'll break down the process into 5 critical stages, each building on the last to create powerful software. The first step is critical: planning and analysis. It's where we define the what and why of your project. We clearly define project goals, scope, budget, and timeline. This sets the stage for a successful project. Collaboration is key. We work closely with stakeholders to align expectations and ensure everyone is on the same page. With a solid plan, we move into the design phase, bringing the software's look and feel to life. We craft user interfaces and system architecture using industry-leading tools like Figma and Envision. Prototypes are reviewed rigorously to ensure usability and a smooth user experience. User feedback drives refinements. Here's where the coding begins. We build the software's core functionalities according to the design. Agile workflows with iterative sprints, code reviews, and security checks are fundamental to our development process. We keep clients regularly updated with progress reports, ensuring transparency and alignment throughout development. Rigorous testing in a phased launch are crucial for a stable and successful release. Layered testing includes unit, integration, system, UAT, and performance testing to ensure top quality. A phased rollout ensures a smooth launch, minimizing disruptions and allowing for quick adjustments if needed. Our commitment extends beyond launch. We provide continuous support and maintenance to ensure your software's longevity. We offer 24/7 support, security patches, bug fixes, and feature updates to keep your software running efficiently. Our goal is to ensure your software runs efficiently and meets your evolving business needs, always performing at its best.